Assalamu alaikum. This is a demo and presentation about the COE446 Mobile Computing Term Project. It was supervised by Dr. Tariq Shaltami and it was done by Abdullah Qassas, Basil Nunu and Abdullah Abu Saadeh. This project was done in King Fahd University, Kfupm. So what's the idea of our project? The idea is simply implementing a real-time application that runs over an ad hoc network. What we did is we implemented an hashing engine over an ad hoc network. This has many applications in real life like file correctness checking, image signatures, and many other security applications that relies on the idea of hashing. Ad hoc networking. To set up the ad hoc network between two laptops, we made a configuration to these laptops, so we have a working ad hoc network between these two nodes. Also, to make the communication between the two laptops and send the data, we used socket programming. We used Java programming language for that. Note that this can be done for more than just two laptops by using the idea of the multi-hop. Now, this is how it works, the project. First, the client can send a file to the other node, or the server in this case. Now, it will send along with it the hash of this file using MD5 algorithm. It does the processing, it compares the sent hash with the current hash of the sent file. Now, if they match, then the file has been sent correctly. Otherwise, the file has been sent in a wrong way and there might be a hacker who played with it. Now let's move to the demo. Now let's start the demo. We have started the server now. It's awaiting connections. Now let's move to the client and run it. It says connected and enter your message to be sent. So let's say COE446 Mobile Computing is a nice course. It says the file has been received correctly. Let's move to the server and see what happened. So it says that the file received from the client is COE446 Mobile Computing is a nice course, and it says here the hash received from client is the following hash. Also, the server has calculated its own hash value of the received file, then it's compared. Now, the result of this comparison that the file has been received correctly. And also it sent this result to the client as well. Now, let's see an example where the server gets the wrong file sent by the client. For example, a hacker changed the content of the file. The server will discover that. Let's see how. Now we have started the server and let's start the client. We enter the message COE446 is a nice and informative course. Enter. Oops, the file has been received wrongly. Let's see what happened at the server side. It says the file received from the client is this file. However, the hash is this hash, but the calculated hash is different. So since they don't match, it says the file received wrongly, and it sends this back to the client. This application can be improved and developed further. Like, we are thinking in the future of adding a graphical user interface that supports many features, like letting the user enter the IP of the target machine and its port. Also, we may allow the user to upload images, sounds, and any multimedia type, because at the end it works with binary values, zeros and ones. So just converting the images and sounds to binary values, it can work. Also, combining encryption with hashing. This is very important because hashing does not protect the data. It only discovers that this data has been changed. Now, with using encryption, we know that our protected. Okay, so the idea here is combining encryption with hashing. That's it. Thank you for listening and wish you best of luck.